Becoming an alcoholic addict, साइंस क्या है?
So there are behavioral changes.
Become forgetful because he's in that drunken state, verbally aggressive. Addiction is when your mind is constantly planning, when will my next drink come? He becomes a liar. वो शायद काम पे ही नहीं जाता हो. I should not be called a bevda. I should not be called a darubaj. Starts loving the bottle more than any other relationship. There is a way out of this.
Becoming an alcoholic addict, नीलम, साइंस क्या है?
सुरक्षा साइंस तो इसके एडिक्ट को तो सबसे बाद में पता चलता है. Actually, it is the others who are seeing their loved ones getting drunk, and so there are behavioral changes in the person which he
Does not realize it.
So what are the changes?
So he may become forgetful because he's in that drunken state. There will be behavioral changes. If somebody किसी ने टोक दिया उसको, he may get verbally aggressive. Then he may have loss of memory. कहीं एक जगह खड़े होके सोचता रहता है.
मतलब this is during the drinking phase.
During the drinking phase when
अच्छा.
he's moving towards addiction, or you can say like has moved into addiction.
नहीं, पर ये जो आप कहते हैं कि खड़ा रह के सोचता रहता है,
हाँ.
मतलब ये जब पी रहे हैं तब कि when like he's not like सुबह में या दिन में?
नहीं, कभी भी, मतलब because he's addicts का क्या होता है? Addiction is not when you over drink in the evening in a party. Addiction is when your mind is constantly planning, when will my next drink come?
Oh, that is.
You know it has bad consequences. You know it is not good for you health wise, but yet you are not able to control it. You become a planner despite knowing कि इसके consequences emotionally, physically, anatomically नहीं ठीक है होने वाले हैं, पर आपके body और mind आपके ऊपर control करते हैं.
Wow.
The alcohol controls you.
Your body and mind.
Yes.
Okay, so that is one.
Yes.
You are planning. What are the other signs, Neelam?
The other signs are like irregularity in daily work.
What do you mean by
Sleep disorders.
that? So what do you mean by sleep disorder?
तो वो क्या होता है when you start to take one drink which moves towards 2, then it moves towards 3.
तो वो भी एक साइन है.
वो भी एक साइन है. और ये एक तो दिखा देंगे शायद घर में पीते हो, so they will show it to the members that I'm just taking 30 ml. But the second of the 60 ml and the third of the 180 ml is taken outside.
Okay.
With friends.
Okay.
And even in a peer group, you'll be surprised that friends can make out इसमें तो कुछ गड़बड़ी है,
पर कोई बोलता नहीं है.
पर कोई बोलता नहीं है. बहुत करीब के जो फ्रेंड्स होते हैं, who are close friends, they will nudge you and say something is wrong. You should stop it.
Okay.
So I've gone through this journey.
I know.
I'm speaking from the person's, heart.
Yeah. Any other sign, नीलम, कि भाई I am moving towards alcoholism? आपने बताया planning, आपने बताया drink बढ़ती रहती है.
He will start lying. He becomes a liar.
About what?
He will lie about his work schedule to his family. वो शायद काम पे ही नहीं जाता हो. But he says I've gone for work. Then he'll call up his best friend to cover for him. कि family ने अगर उसको पूछा. So these are plannings.
Okay.
You see, कोई मुझे पहचाने नहीं. I should not be put to shame. I should not be called a bevda. I should not be called a darubaj. How can I avoid this? This is the main purpose that he's working towards. So whether it is planning, whether it is behavioral changes, or it is emotional instability.
What do you mean by emotional instability?
Because he starts loving the bottle more than any other relationship. He forgets his children in the family. He forgets his own wife.
Wow.
If it is a joint family, then he will not go and speak to his mother, because जैसे हमारे इंडियन फैमिली में बोलते हैं, माँ तो सबसे पहले भाग जाती है.
जाते ही नहीं है.
तो वो जाते ही नहीं है कि राइट.
मुझे एडिक्शन प्रॉब्लम है, समझ में आया. सो व्हाट डज एन एडिक्ट डू वंस दे अंडरस्टैंड?
ज्यादा से ज्यादा अगर वो पढ़ा लिखा नहीं भी हो या पढ़ा लिखा, they do bring themselves shame upon themselves.
So shame, they feel shame.
They feel shame because they know मैं दूसरों से, by now they know मैं दूसरों से अलग हूँ. I'm drinking more than I should.
Okay.
My people are staring at me. My friends are telling me over phone, क्या हो गया है तुम्हें? So along with the shame comes the part of self pity. हाय मैं you know, my wife is not sleeping with me, you know, for some reason.
बिकॉज आप खराटे मार रहे होते हैं.
Yeah, whatever be the reason. या आपके मुंह से शराब की बात आ रही है constantly.
correct.
तो वो सेल्फ पिटी में वो दूसरों का नहीं देखते हैं, वो खुद को सेल्फ पिटी देकर और पीते हैं. कि मेरी फैमिली ब्रेकअप हो रही है, मेरी माँ मेरे से बात नहीं कर रही है, या पिताजी ने मुझे धमकाया है, he'll throw me out of the business.
Okay.
You know, I'm this poor person who's been hammered by everybody from the family. So he takes us, then this is one of the major excuses that they take the next drink to get over this shame and self-pity.
Correct.
So that's why this is a big vicious circle where instead of saying no, मैं
this is what they do.
सुधारूंगा, ये सुधरना हो नहीं पाता है.
Any other thing? आपने बताया self pity, आपने बताया shame. Any other feeling that they get?
Yeah, they feel isolated. They feel isolated. उनके फ्रेंड्स उनको छोड़ के चले जाते हैं, वो अकेले पड़ जाते हैं.
और जल्दी से लोग पार्टी में भी नहीं बुलाना चाहते.
नहीं बुलाना चाहते कि ये तो पीकर बिल्कुल बदमस्त हो जाता है, कुछ भी बोलता है, दूसरों को मतलब अब्यूज करता है. कभी अल्कोहलिक में फिजिकल अब्यूज भी हो जाता है, मारामारी हो जाती है. तो रिश्तेदार नहीं चाहते, ठीक है, दोस्त नहीं चाहते, तो यू आर आइसोलेटेड. अब इंडियन फैमिली ऐसी है, वो बेचारी फैमिली किसी तरह उसको एक्सेप्ट करके रखती.
सो पर नीलम, सो करना क्या चाहिए? ये फील होता है, पर व्हाट इज द स्टेप दैट वन शुड टेक?
तो यही जो करना क्या चाहिए इज द बिगेस्ट थिंग दैट आई वांट टू फोकस ऑन. कि जैसे ही आपको पता चलता है,
द फर्स्ट स्टेप, टेल मी वन स्टेप.
You know when is your drink increasing. You are not close minded to that. You know, पहले आप 30 या 60 ml लेके आपको हल्का सा नशा आता था, अच्छा लगता था. बट अब आपको 30 और 60 से वो नई लेवल आ रही है, बिकॉज द बेस स्टैंडर्ड it has changed.
Okay.
30 to 60 is already preset in your brain, in your neurons. So अब उतना ही नशा, उतना ही लेवल का नशा पाने के लिए you have to take the third or the fourth drink.
Correct.
So that is what the levels increases. So before going that, it'll be very good if the person can start with his own self reflection. That वो खुद के साथ खुद को पूछे, मैं ये क्यों कर रहा हूँ. दूसरी बात, he can share with his loved ones, whether married or not married. If you are not married, you can share with your best friends. And put that, यार मेरे साथ ये हो रहा है, क्या करना चाहिए.
So open up and speak.
Definitely.
Reflect and
Sharing,
speak.
yes. First self reflection, accept it कि कुछ है प्रॉब्लम. और दूसरा, उसको अपने पर आप खुद को सुधारने का बीड़ा मत लीजिए, क्योंकि कई बार वो चलता नहीं है. बिकॉज दारू हावी हो गई है आपके बॉडी और माइंड. Then seek help. Seek help from your immediate friends. Seek help from peer groups. Seek help from your family. कई बार हमारे इधर फैमिली में बाद में जाता है, peer group के पास पहले जाएगा. So like I said, married or unmarried, everybody has those. So they go there first. वहां पर जब नहीं, और वो अल्कोहल काम कर रहा है, or this while the alcohol is doing its work, of saying, okay, you are going to your friends, don't worry, I'm still powerful. You know, this is the whole irony about recovery. Yeah, so instead of continuously shaming themselves, always looking at the past, more than anything, finding excuses for their drinking, they should seek recovery. They should seek immediate recovery. Starting from the peer groups or family, seek professional help. There are so many help groups that are there, like Alcoholic Anonymous, Narcotic Anonymous, Codependency
and हर सिटी में है.
हर सिटी में है.
और ये इन्फॉर्मेशन कहाँ से मिल सकता है?
जैसे सभी कुछ जो है आजकल तो गूगल मैया के पास है. Yeah, so you open, this is what is happening. So they see everything, they read everything, they are educated about it. Because आज एक पान वाला भी गूगल सर्च में देख सकता है, how do I know I am an addict? तो पढ़ता है, उसके समझ में आ रहा है कि ये तो मेरे को ही, जैसे ये मैं ही हूँ जो ये लिख रहा है, ये तो साइंस सब मेरे में है. बट द पॉइंट इज ही इज नॉट विलिंग टू एक्सेप्ट इट, बिकॉज नशा इज सच अ फन थिंग.
वो छोड़ना पड़ेगा ना, एक्सेप्ट कर लेंगे.
कैसे छोड़े? करेक्ट. इसीलिए देयर आर डिलेज इन गिविंग अप एडिक्शन, अल्कोहलिक एडिक्शन.
गॉट इट. सो आई एम एन अल्कोहलिक, मैंने रिफ्लेक्ट किया, फिर भी आई एम नॉट बीइंग एबल टू हेल्प माई सेल्फ. मेरी फैमिली बोल रही है तो भी मैं हेल्प नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, तो फिर क्या करना चाहिए इसमें?
अब तक ये एडिक्ट जो है वो इतना फन जोन में आ चुका है that he is not willing to give up the
Correct.
fun.
Right.
He tries it for one day. He may not drink for 2 days. I've had people who have not had for one month, 2 months, or like Navratri has come, Ganpati festival was there. They do not drink for 8 days, but on the 9th day, it is like total, freedom.
Yeah.
Because they have missed the nasha for those days because of our customs, traditions. But इसके लिए बहुत जरूरी है that you have to go and seek a counselor like me, or go
So
to a
de-addiction
psychiatrist, the de-addiction counselors who are dealing only with such cases, or you can go to a psychologist, you can go to a psychiatrist, and even after this, if you are not getting the real help, rehabilitation is a must.
So मतलब बीच में आप कह रहे हैं कि एक हफ्ता नहीं पिए, 10 दिन नहीं पिए, it doesn't mean that it's gone away.
Not at all. It is not. It has just been subdued. Because इतना प्रभाव है, इतना प्रेशर है सोसाइटी का कि not having non-veg, do not drink for these 10 days. I've heard people who have told me this, so I know this very clearly that ये 10 दिन तो कुछ नहीं होगा.
But then they are alcoholics because
but then, but somehow they are, and in those 10 days also वो मचमचाए होते हैं.
Correct.
They are not getting, the body is giving signs, the hands are trembling, the fingers are trembling because they have withdrawal symptoms of not drinking. There is a call from the body and the mind, that where am I? The alcohol is asking, where am I?
Oh my God.
Can't you see that I want you? You should take me. These are the kind of signs. And the real thing is that the minute they take the first दो घूंट भी ले लेंगे, सारे उनके withdrawal symptoms चले जाते हैं. तो वो कितने देर होल्ड करेंगे?
तो हेल्प, प्रोफेशनल हेल्प तो चाहिए.
बहुत जरूरी है इसमें प्रोफेशनल हेल्प की. एंड नोबडी कैन टेल मी दैट alcoholism cannot be cured. Now, cured is not so much as a curing. There's no pill for it. There's no दवाई for it. तो सारे डॉक्टर्स वही दे रहे होते. The point over here is the path to recovery. The continuous path to recovery for lifetime.
मतलब स्लिप्स होंगे पर वापस
होते हैं और रिलैप्सेस भी होते हैं.
आप आपके कोई क्लाइंट के बारे में बताइए.
हाँ, जैसे
जो रिलैप्स.
हाँ, तो क्लाइंट्स भी कई तरह के होते हैं जो हमसे जुड़े रहते हैं. वो तुरंत फोन करके बताते हैं, मैम कल रात को ना बाहर गया था, एक बियर ले ली. सो दैट वी कॉल इट एज अ स्लिप. बस वो हो गया, उसने बोल दिया और नहीं लिया. बट वही स्लिप जो है रिलैप्स में बदल सकता है. तो आज मैंने बियर ली, कल भी मैंने बियर ली, फिर वो फन जोन में आ गए.
So that is a relapse.
Yes, so that continuous slips will equal to like a relapse. अब जहां से आपने नहीं छोड़ी थी 10 दिन पहले, 1 महीना पहले, 8 महीना पहले, हो सकता है 5 साल पहले, there are relapses. I've had a personal case of a lady who relapsed after 12 years.
So then what is the thing? Like again come back. What is it?
They come back to that same zone. So this that's why I said it's a recovery for a lifetime.
Wow.
It is not like आज मैं ठीक हो गया. जैसे आप ठीक हो गए और 2 साल हो गए तो आप इतने ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट हो जाते हैं कि आपको अगर सोशल में कोई बोलेगा 2 साल तक नहीं लिया, थोड़ा सा तो चख ले, you are so overconfident that you touch it. And that.
So are you trying to tell me, नीलम, कि जिनको अल्कोहल एडिक्शन है, जो एडिक्ट रह चुके हैं, उनके लिए even one beer is not good?
No, it's not good because that one beer could be a slip, but it could convert into a relapse.
Okay, so दूसरी चीजों में enjoyment ढूंढिए.
Yeah, दूसरी चीजों में ढूंढिए. मैं तो खुद ही बोलती हूँ, like go out, start moving more with your family. Yeah, get more connected with your family. I have been through this problem. I stay alone. Like I've lived alone for 19 years. My husband died of cancer here in Pune only. And I come from an army background. So मेरे लिए तो drinking was like a culture.
कई बार partners help them into becoming an alcoholic without knowing. ये कैसे होता है?
They actually, partners do not help them in becoming alcoholic, but the partners do not do anything once they're. So who's a codependent? Codependent is any person who's got a relationship with the alcoholic.
Okay, that is a codependent.
It can be the son, it can be the father, because the father is staying with the alcoholic. I'm sorry I have to use the word alcoholic, though I would not have liked to, but the person who's drinking, or it could be the mother, it could be the father, mother, it could be the wife.
Correct.
It
जो
can
भी
be
उनके साथ
anyone,
है.
जो भी जिसके उस अल्कोहलिक के साथ जिसका संबंध है, he becomes a co-dependent. सबसे पहले ये होता है कि वो उसको ये नाम देकर कि प्यार करते हैं, तो उसको इग्नोर करते हैं.
Oh God.
कि हाय ऐसा मत करिए, ये सही नहीं है. तो वो तो नहीं चलता है, बिकॉज अल्कोहलिज्म इज फार पावरफुल. Then they have their own, for example, the wife, she may be having a low self-esteem of her own self. You see, so वो कैसे मुंह खोलकर अपने हस्बैंड को बताए कि जो तुम कर रहे हो वो गलत कर रहे हो.
Oh my God.
चलो डॉक्टर के पास चलते हैं. The third thing is that she herself does not want to get abandoned, because एक alcoholic easily अपनी वाइफ को, बेटी को, बेटे को बोल सकता है गेट लॉस्ट, मेरा घर है, मुझे जो करना है मैं वो करूंगा.
नहीं, और इमोशनली भी तो गेट लॉस बोल सकते हैं साथ में रहते हुए. तो
हाँ, तो फिर वो इसी कारण ये कोडिपेंडेंस का बहुत पावर प्ले होता है. एक्चुअली इट्स अ लॉट डिपेंड्स ऑन देम व्हेन दे गेट आउट ऑफ देयर ओन लोअर सेल्फ एस्टीम, low life situation, and take charge of their husband who needs help.
Wow.
And start seeking help.
Wow.
तो उसमें तो काफी परसेंटेज जो अल्कोहलिक हैं वो ठीक भी हो सकते हैं, ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ द पावर ऑफ द कोडिपेंडेंट. वो कोडिपेंडेंट को ये भी डर लगता है टुवर्ड्स हिज अल्कोहलिक फादर और अल्कोहलिक हस्बैंड, व्हाटएवर बी, कि वो मारने पे आ जाते हैं. देयर इज फिजिकल अब्यूज,
सो दे कांट हेल्प.
सो वो डरते हैं, वो फिजिकली डरते हैं. पहले तो वो इमोशनली प्यार से, दुलार से उनको बोलते हैं चलिए किसी के पास चलते हैं, लेट अस गो एंड हेल्प यू आउट एंड ऑल दैट. बट लाइक आई सेड, द फन जोन ऑफ ड्रिंकिंग इज सो मच दैट वो इग्नोर ही कर देता है अल्कोहलिक. और देयर इज लॉट ऑफ कोडिपेंडेंस क्वाइटन डाउन. दे एक्सेप्ट जो कर रहा है करने दो.
एक कोडिपेंडेंट अल्कोहलिक डिपेंडेंट को कैसे हेल्प कर सकता है इन गेटिंग आउट ऑफ इट?
So a codependent has to be very firm in his or her mind.
Give me an anecdote.
I can think about so many where the codependents have actually helped the alcoholic to get out of it. Is continuously the codependent was calling me up and telling me about the behavioral pattern of his father. Yeah, and he was in his 12th standard, I recall, and it was his board exam. And father's behavior was really affecting his studies. And mother had left the husband because of his alcoholism. And somehow the son was so close to the father, he refused to abandon his father. So he stayed there. And he continued to talk to me.
And you coached him? I
coached him to get the power to talk to his father, because the father was refusing to talk to me. So I would coach him what to tell his father, that there is a way out. I just said, use your emotional love that you have for your father to tell him that there is a way out of this. And make him believe in it. Just continue talking to him, saying, we can get out of it. There is a way out. And you'll be surprised. At the end of the 7th month, the father called me up. And he said, I'm willing to seek help.
Wow.
Because मैंने इतना आपके बारे में सुना है अपने बेटे से.
Wow.
And now I realize I cannot help myself.
Wow.
And I want to be connected with you.
Beautiful.
So this was really a powerful move.
So codependents have to keep at it.
Yes.
मतलब अगर वो dependent नहीं जाएगा तो खुद जाओ. And then take coaching.
Yes,
that's a beautiful thing.
Take some responsibility. You are living with a person and you say you're loving that person. So dikhao na, how do you love with that person?
Correct.
Not just by keeping quiet.
Yeah.
That is a big role play.
Wow. As a spouse of an addict, alcohol addict, how can a wife help her own self?
So wife has to definitely increase her self-esteem. She has to work on herself. And not continuously be traumatized by the past.
पर वो कैसे करें?
पर उसके लिए उनको भी तो किसी से शेयर करना चाहिए. पहली बात, अगर वो खुद मेडिटेट करती, she has to find her own space to deal with an alcoholic, basically. Plus the courage to speak to him, not aggressively, not in frustration, but keep that a soothing conversation so that the alcoholic does not feel isolated. So इसका मतलब she has to firstly build up her self-esteem. She has to pull herself beyond what all the trauma that she's going through. She has to be very determined for that. And more than anything, instead of being the codependent that she is living with the alcoholic, she has to make him see the consequences of his actions.
Okay.
That is very important.
So नीलम, सबसे पहले जो डिपेंडेंट के साथ होते हैं उन्हें भी ट्रॉमा होता है? किस तरह का ट्रॉमा होता है?
ट्रॉमा ये होता है कि सबसे पहले तो इनसिक्योरिटी हो जाती है रिलेशनशिप की.
ओके.
You know, seeing him in that condition. Second most powerful thing that comes here is financial insecurity. The alcoholic, because of his behavior pattern, is not going to his work regularly.
Okay, so
he's missing out to work. I've had cases where people they are carrying drinks to their workplace and have been caught. You know, and some of them have been caught and given warnings.
Correct.
But then finally thrown out. So इसमें जो co-dependent को देख रही है वो, she's understanding everything. Even if the alcoholic does not tell her, she comes to know from the peer group. Somebody
Correct.
will call her and tell her. Thirdly होती है family insecurity कि बच्चों का क्या होगा. Yeah, so she's looking forward to the alcoholic to give her all these things. बच्चों के लिए कंटिन्यू टू बी अ फादर, तो ये नहीं छूटना चाहिए. उनको फाइनेंस वही कमा रहा है, मे बी शी इज नॉट अर्निंग, सो वो फाइनेंशियल इनसिक्योरिटी रहती है. इसलिए इतनी देर तक कोडिपेंडेंट उनको ठीक करने में नहीं कामयाब होती है. बिकॉज वंस शी गेट्स ओवर ऑल दिस, she can say कि yes, I will manage this family on my own until and unless this guy seeks support.
So also abuse, right? Abuse भी तो होता होगा कि that abuse. So she's dealing with abuse.
Yes.
She's dealing with this trauma, with insecurity.
Yes.
So should a codependent also seek counseling?
Of course, the codependent needs counseling to show her कि जो तुम कर रही हो out of love or out of compassion, वो alcoholic को किसी तरह से मदद नहीं कर रहा है. He is continuing to drink more and more because he said मैं तो यहाँ बहुत सेफ हूँ. Everyone is accepting me. Yeah. She should seek medical help. Most important here is that the person जो रह रही है आपके, जैसे आप बोल रही वाइफ रह रही है, वो वाइफ ने किसी तरह उसको मनाना चाहिए कि हम जाके डॉक्टर को देके बेसिक रिपोर्ट निकालते हैं, like a liver function test, you know, which will tell everything. You will not believe, I still have a codependent who's talking to me and she's writing to me on WhatsApp. मैं वो डॉक्टर के पास जाने से मना कर रहा है.
How can a codependent अपने alcoholic dependent को medical help या professional counseling सीख कराए?
किसी भी तरह पहले तो वो continuous counseling ले अपने लिए.
Okay.
हाँ, so that she gets the strength. Then she should just somehow motivate her husband. ठीक है, अगर कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, if you say you are okay, why not go and seek a doctor? And so very simple, if the codependent or the wife or son, whoever it is, can take the alcoholic and just go for a simple liver function test.
तो उससे क्या होगा?
बस वो टेस्ट के जो बेसिक्स हैं, जो SGBT, SGOT, बिलिरुबिन काउंट, ये सब बता देते हैं कि आपका लिवर ठीक से फंक्शन नहीं कर रहा है, कौन से स्टेज में है. दैट इज आल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज एट बेसिक 3 stages of liver function we can get his liver back to normal. But once it becomes cirrhotic, it is difficult to get back. So aim हमारा यही रहता है even as a counselor कि वो वाले स्टेज में ना जाए.
करेक्ट. सो लिवर टेस्ट करा दो, उल्टा पुल्टा रिजल्ट आए अपने आप,
वो तो फिर तो देख सकता है. He can't deny it.
नीलम, फ्रॉम एन एडिक्ट योरसेल्फ टू अ डी एडिक्शन काउंसलर, ये जर्नी क्या है?
ये जर्नी like very many others, I did not know when from a social drinker I became an addict, because I have been drinking with my family since I was 18. I lost my husband to cancer nearly 19 years ago. Then around 9 years ago, when I lost my father also, and both of them to cancer, I just could not handle it, losing two best men of my life.
Oh my
And the
God.
same drink, which was having with fun, having with family, having with loved ones, that became the source of my addiction. I sought help in drinking to get over my emotional sorrows.
Oh my God.
And I was living alone all by myself, so there was nobody to tell me. Financially, I was okay, so I could buy my own drinks. So it is so difficult. I'm sharing this because as a sole person to come out of it has really been very difficult. Finally, my family set in, my son, my daughter, and they arranged a rehab for me. And I'm one of the most fortunate one to tell this entire world that I went to one of the finest rehabs, which has changed my life 180 degrees. I can hear it from my peers. I can hear it from my family. I'm a winner, and I wish I
Wow.
could help anyone who requires help.
So Neelam, जब आपने कहा कि your family set you up, can you go to that moment when you decided कि नहीं मुझे rehab में डाल दो?
Yeah, so I was in denial with my family, saying, no, 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 I'm not an alcoholic. It is okay. You just feel. Though I was getting messages on WhatsApp saying, Ma, you are slurring. And I would deny that. I mean, at that time, all these social medias were active. And my family would sometimes hate me for being where their mother is, who's been a lecturer all through her life teaching children. Yeah, and I've been an A and O grade teacher, so my students will be watching this, but it's okay.
Wow.
This is a part of a big
Wow.
deal I want to do in life, is that help is available.
So at that moment आपने you were in denial. फिर क्या हुआ?
So then
आप कैसे गए?
So my son, my daughter, and other family members sought help from the rehab, and then it's a voluntary rehab, so there was no push pull. I just went over there, and it was not easy because my house is so close to the rehab. I could anytime go out. I debated with myself, I should just go during the day, पर रात को तो घर में आना चाहिए सोने के लिए. For so many years I've lived alone, but then I realized no, it was not going to help me. So I'm one of those lucky ones where wisdom prevailed, I can say, yeah, and lot of forbearance, tenacity, all these things are required to do it all by yourself. But I can 100% say that help is available.
Correct. One very difficult moment जब आप addiction के लिए rehab में थे.
So when I went to rehab also, because certain medicines were given to me to calm me down. It was, like I said, a voluntary place. So by the time I came to myself, which probably was 2-3 days, it took me a lot of saying, where the hell I am and why am I brought here? And I should go back. My home is so close. And then the good part was that I was in touch with my children who were so happy for me. They were looking for the real mother of theirs. And that instead of getting into shame, I got into a determined mind that I should
Be the mother.
be the lecturer, be the topmost woman. Like, I have
Wow.
a lot of achievements in life.
Beautiful.
And there was only this one alcohol which just cut me down. Yeah, and
Thank you.
that the whole, like I said, a new life.
Rehab is not jail khana. बताइए.
Oh, I went to a rehab. I can never call it a jail khana. But when I went to meet a psychiatrist in New York, and we were talking together about rehabilitation. He runs a voluntary rehab himself. So he told me, ma'am, why do you call it a rehab? So such a beautiful coined word. He said, halfway home. And from then, I keep on telling the psychiatrist, I keep on telling
Wow.
everybody, please don't call it rehab. It is halfway home. आप अपने घर से खाली थोड़ी ही दूरी पे हो. ये आपका दूसरा घर है. जब आप उसको अपना दूसरा घर मानोगे तो वहां के जो रहने वाले काउंसलर्स जो आपको हेल्प कर रहे हैं, आप उसको परिवार बनाओगे. And that is where true recovery begins. That is where true friendship begins. Because initially, when you are in the rehab, you don't want to open up because the shame is still there, the guilt is still there. So it is the counselors in the rehab, the friends that you make with them, that you blurt out, जो शायद तुमने कभी अपने आप को भी नहीं कहा होगा,
Wow.
आप वो भी कहते हैं.
So वो भी एक relief है.
So एक relief है. So all rehabs, I am not speaking any name, but please remember there are two categories of rehab. One is a voluntary rehab, वे आप खुद की मर्जी से जाते हैं. जब आप जिस दिन आपने रियलाइज करा I need help, जिस दिन आपने खुद रियलाइज किया I need help and I need to go to the rehab because I don't see any other way out, and you voluntarily go, उसमें आपका 30% सक्सेस तो वही हो जा रहा है.
करेक्ट.
एक दूसरा होता है इनवॉलंटरी, जैसे पर्सन डज नॉट वांट टू गो बट बिकॉज ही इज नाउ medically going unfit. His reports are showing that he is moving towards cirrhotic liver, where the doctor writes, I've had doctors writing in the discharge thing that needs to go to a rehab. So because it is medically wanted, वो बंदा मर ना जाए, उसके लिए उसको rehab में family को out of love डालना ही पड़ता है.
Correct.
But again, all involuntary rehabs are not jail khata. It is just that they are under lock and key so that you can't get alcohol. Medically you can't be given alcohol, so you are under lock and key. But वो lock and key आपके body को treat करने के लिए रखी गई है.
Correct.
But that does not mean it is a jail khana.
और नीलम, हाफवे होम ये भी तो कह सकते हैं कि इट्स हाफवे होम टुवर्ड्स योर होम. मतलब आपकी जो फैमिली है उनसे तो आप दूर हो चुके हैं.
Right.
तो जब आप इधर जाते हैं तो यू आर हाफवे टुवर्ड्स योर होम.
Yes, you find a new friend, you find a new soul to talk to.
Correct.
The whole environment is so conducive, like 3 times 4 times meditation.
राइट.
हमको अल्कोहलिज्म में मेडिटेशन छोड़ दीजिए, खुद के बारे में सोचने का भी एक क्षण नहीं होता है. वो थोड़ा जब तक हम सोबर होते हैं उससे पहले we take the next glass of alcohol.
Correct.
And there goes the sobriety.
फंक्शनल अल्कोहलिक क्या है?
Functional alcoholics are alcoholics who are drinking beyond the set boundaries. But वो अपने आप को, अपने behavioral pattern को ऐसे manipulate करते हैं कि they think they are the king.
बताइए एग्जाम्पल दीजिए.
जैसे कि बंदा ड्रिंक लेके जा रहा है पॉकेट में, ठीक है, और ऑफिस में घुसने से पहले वो अपनी लास्ट ड्रिंक लेगा, उसके बाद थोड़े क्लव्स या कुछ गम खा लेगा, उसके बाद एंड ही विल गो इनटू द ऑफिस लाइक अ लॉर्ड बिकॉज ही इज ओवरपावर्ड बाय अल्कोहल. And let me tell you this, the mind behavioral pattern also changed in such a way that I have heard people telling me, ma'am, मैं अपना प्रोग्रामिंग खाली अल्कोहल के बाद ही मेरे से सही प्रोग्रामिंग होती है.
So they are being able to function.
Yes, I am at my best when I take this. This is a lot to do with those people who are taking drugs also.
So but ये तो ज्यादा चल नहीं सकता, right? What happens?
नहीं, ये काफी देर तक चलता है, as long as you know how corporates are today, as long as you are delivering.
नहीं, but I'm talking in terms of body.
Yeah, but the body does not take it, no, because then I said, so there are not only behavioral and emotional changes, there are physical changes, anatomical changes. Like your liver is getting damaged, it is getting inflamed, it is getting damaged. There's a
so essentially functional alcoholic is वो पी के ही function कर सकते हैं,
हाँ,
but eventually medical issues हो जाते हैं और behavioral issues.
तभी ये फिर वो थोड़ा सीरियस होते हैं किसी काउंसलर को देखने के लिए, किसी रिहैब को देखने के लिए. नहीं तो उनके हिसाब से तो जिंदगी अच्छी चल रही है, घर में पैसे आ रहे हैं, अल्कोहल पी के तो बिकम एक्स्ट्रा लविंग. या उनको दे आर इन द फन जोन, प्लस दे नो कि अरे ऑफिस में भी अच्छा काम किया है मैंने, प्रोग्रामिंग भी मैंने सही की है. आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस छोड़ दीजिए, ये एक दूसरी तरह की इंटेलिजेंस देता है. So this is going to a Zoom category.
But it's not going to last.
It won't last because it's a body. This is a machine.
Correct.
It is somehow, somewhere going to give you signs.
Are you an functional alcoholic? If yes, you know what to do.